Black Girl No mission is that we promote holistic wellness for women of color, and that we encourage self-care, self-love, and self-empowerment for communities of color. So we have a few values, including, but not limited to, empowerment, innovation, gratitude, and our space can reflect, those values. So even the space that we're in today for our Breathe Easy retreat, our first ever team retreat that we've done, it allows us to be innovative because there's an outdoor deck. There is an indoor loft space, and then there's the main level that has the kitchen and this beautiful green grass and really beautiful lively plants. And so we were able to be innovative about creating distinct little spaces and moments throughout the retreat experience. On day one, we had the esthetician set up in the loft. We had the nail technician outside. It allowed us to say, okay, we don't just have one space where we're going to do these different programs and it's going to get old, but it's always going to feel a little different, a little ebb and flow throughout the entire experience.